to do Urdu poetry in the University of Chicago. I just assumed we're at SASA, so everyone will know Hindi. Bad assumption on my part. So, anyways, let me introduce what Shairi is. Shairi is a form of Urdu poetry, right? And it's basically like couplets that sort of rhyme in Urdu, and it originated from the Indian subcontinent and at the confluence of Mughal and Hindu cultures in the 13th, 14th century after Christ. So yeah, that's Shairi for you all. This is one of my own original creations, and it is titled The Windy City. Guys, I'm sorry, it's still in Urdu. Even though the title is English, the Urdu is still the poetry is still in Urdu. So yeah, it's a little about life in Chicago during the winter quarter, especially because I'm from Nagpur. If you do not know, that is the hottest city in India, and I'm coming to one of the coldest cities in the US. So here we go. इस शहर की ठंडी हवाओं में गम सा होता है और वही सफेद सड़कों पे घूम सा जाता हूँ मैं।
वाह 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 वाह।
थैंक यू सर। सर्दियों की रातों में सब कुछ थमा सा लगता है, लेकिन बर्फ के नीचे एक नई जिंदगी अपनी पहचान बना रही है। यहाँ की लंबी रातें मुझे लंबे सपने दिखाती है और हर नई सुबह मुझे अपनी मंजिल की राह दिखाती है। ये बर्फीली रातें, धुंध भरे दिन और दोस्तों के साथ गुफ्तगू, इन्हीं लम्हों में छुपी है एक ताकत जो बसंत की किरण के साथ जिंदगी को नए रंग से सजाती है, एक नई रोशनी के साथ। वही बर्फ जो अभी सर्द थी, उसी की बूंदें कलियों को सहरा बना देंगी और ये शहर एक नया नूर ले अपने आप को जन्नत फिरदौस बना देगा। मगर अंत में यही कहूँगा, इस शहर की ठंडी हवाओं में मेरी रूह तड़पती है। इस शहर की ठंडी हवाओं में मेरी रूह तड़पती है उस अपनेपन के लिए जो हिंदुस्तान की गलियों में महकती है, जो हिंदुस्तान की गलियों में महकती है। थैंक यू। So I just want to roughly translate it for the non-Indians. Here all ABCDs who do not understand Hindi or Urdu. South Indians, all of you. So it starts off as how in the cold air of Chicago I find myself sad and in sorrow, and how in the on walking on these white snow-laden roads I find myself lost. Then it goes on to talk about I'm not going to go stanza by stanza, but like just roughly it talks about how this is time when things are germinating below the snow and preparing themselves for a successful spring and a subsequent summer, just to bloom out after that. So yeah, it's just filling itself with all this energy so that it can just burst out in the spring. And the end is what I love the most. So we started off with "Is शहर की ठंडी हवाओं में," which was like in the cold air. So that was a literal one, and at the end I again go "Is शहर की ठंडी हवाओं में," which this is a figurative one, like in the coldness of the city, in the sense that in the isolation of the city, in the individuality of the city, I find myself, I find my soul tortured. And why? Because I miss the feeling of community that exists within India, or that exists within Hindustan. That's it from me. Thank you so much.